Hello class 6. Today we are going to start chapter 23rd of civics, diversity and discrimination. In the previous chapter you have learned about the diversity, what is the meaning of the diversity and from where does it come. Now here are some important events that you have to understood in this chapter. Some people make a fun of them. Some of us even form a negative attitude and opinion about such people. These opinions create negative impression in human subconscious mind and are called prejudice. So what is called the prejudice? Prejudice means judging other people in a negative way. मीन्स किसी के बारे में पहले से ये धारणा बना लेना, ये ख्याल कर लेना कि ये इन्फीरियर है, ये हमसे कमतर है या इसको कुछ आता नहीं है, इसमें किसी तरह की कमी है। ये जो है किसी भी इवेंट या किसी भी पर्सन के बारे में पहले से ही कोई प्री थिंक कर लेना, इसी को कहते हैं प्रीजुडिस। डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, diversity exists naturally while discrimination is a man-made. Discrimination refers to the treating group of people less favorably than others. It means treating certain people badly or not allowing them to participate in certain activities. So diversity is a natural thing, but discrimination is a man-made. Next is stereotypes. Stereotypes is a fixed idea or image that many people have for a particular type of things or persons. But such idea is often not in true. We do not accept things which are different. We accept and admire people when they fit into the image created by society. People may use stereotypes in respect of people of a particular community, caste, region, country, religion, or sex, or upon the economic background. Some examples such as stereotypes that a woman are good homemakers or a bad drivers. Men are strong and responsible people. Next topic is inequality and discrimination. Certain cultural and economical factors creates inequality among the people. On the basis of such inequality, people are discriminated. Different kinds of prejudice discrimination have been prevalent in the Indian society as well. Some of the most glaring examples are discrimination on the basis of caste and religion, that is untouchability is the one example. In earlier societies, Brahmin thought that Vaishyas or the traders, these are untouchable. So to remove this system, while India get freedom, B.R. Ambedkar, the founder of our constitution, gave some ideas or he point out and he rules make us some rules to remove this inequality and discrimination. B.R. Ambedkar, who himself was a victim, is a Dalit, and so he led a movement against untouchability. Our constitution refers to Dalit as scheduled caste, though they call themselves as Dalits. Next topic is um, wait. So, in this chapter, you have studied about the various kinds of discrimination. Discrimination means treating a group of people less favorably than others because of the such factors like their skin color, their gender, religion, culture, and status and disability. Prejudice and discrimination create inequalities in the society. Forming rigid ideas about a certain group of people, being judgmental about them results in a stereotypes. Caste system and untouchability are glaring example of inequalities in the society, especially in our country. This still prevails. Although our constitution gives various rights to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and other backward class caste, but still they faces discrimination at somewhere. We should respect one another and accept the different culture, new ideas, etc. One of the main objective of our constitution is to remove all the inequality from our society, thus making all the citizens of the India equal before the law of the land. Thank you class. Have a nice day.